Introducing the all-new Thermapower Organic Rankine Cycle 125 XLT from Access Energy, a highly efficient and compact waste heat recovery system designed to capture extra low temperature waste heat and convert it to as much as 125 kilowatts of electric power, which you can consume in your facility or sell back to the local utility. The 125 XLT is the latest introduction to Access Energy's Thermapower ORC product line, which currently has more than 20 megawatts of installed capacity worldwide. Thermapower Systems uses an Organic Rankine Cycle, or ORC. The ORC cycle is similar to a steam cycle, except it uses an organic fluid in place of water. This enables Thermapower systems to capture medium or low temperature heat. The Thermapower 125 XLT is manufactured as a standard module with field connections for easy installation of the proper evaporator and condenser for your specific application. The 125 XLT system consists of 12 major components. First, the receiver stores working fluid in liquid form. The working fluid pump constantly regulates the fluid based on heat source conditions to optimize system performance and generate maximum power. Only 4 field connections plus simple electrical connections are needed, so installation is quick and easy. The bypass slam valve works in conjunction with the inlet slam valve. This valve responds to the control system, allowing the flow of working fluid to bypass the expander and generator. The inlet slam valve is a high-torque valve that responds quickly to the control system, shutting down the flow of working fluid to the expander and generator in emergencies. The sixth system component is the Carefree Integrated Power Module, or IPM. Here, pressurized vapor spins the expander and generator to produce electricity. It consists of an integrated high-speed turbine expander and high-efficiency generator, and it runs on magnetic bearings in a hermetically sealed, lubrication-free unit. The IPM produces gross power of 125 kilowatts, net power of up to 119 kilowatts, at up to 24,500 RPM, and expander efficiency is above 86%. The produced electricity enters the VeriCycle bidirectional power electronics unit, which is used in the motoring mode to assist with system startup. This power electronics unit can be programmed to your specific power requirements. The VeriCycle unit contains a current source inverter, and voltage and frequency fluctuate to match the local grid, with an AC voltage range from 360 to 528 volts, and a frequency range of 39 to 71 Hz. The next system component, the Program Logic Controller, or PLC, can be operated locally or remotely and provide start, run, and stop controls. Its complete safety and system supervisory functions include overspeed control, high temperature and high pressure limit control, fault coding, emergency shutdown, and data logging. The Insight Magnetic Bearing Controller, or MBC, is the component that continuously monitors the rotating speed, position, and vibration of the IPM rotor. The Power Distribution Panel contains the utility connections for ORC power consumption and output. The evaporator uses the heat source to convert the working fluid into vapor form. The 125 XLT module is compatible with brazed plate, shell and tube, and exhaust gas evaporators. The final component of the Thermapower ORC 125 XLT system is the condenser, which cools the vapor back to liquid form to continue the ORC cycle. The 125 XLT is compatible with brazed plate, evaporative cooled, and air-cooled condensers. The Thermapower 125 XLT cycle is simple. First, the organic working fluid is pumped through an evaporator, exposing it to the heat source. Then, the heat converts the fluid into a superheated vapor due to its low boiling point. The hot vapor is expanded across the Carefree IPM to produce electric power. Next, warm vapor exits the IPM, enters the condenser, and is cooled back to a liquid. And finally, the cold liquid goes through the evaporator to repeat the closed-loop cycle. There are many proven competitive advantages of the Thermapower 125 XLT ORC system. The portable plug-and-play modular configuration makes the system smaller, lighter, and easier to install in limited space. The design also provides flexibility to optimize equipment, such as evaporators for specific heat sources, as well as either air or liquid condensers for desired cooling schemes. The system provides highly efficient, available, and reliable power. It produces more electric power from any given heat source than any other system currently available. Variable speed generators enable optimal speed operation. There are no frictional losses or typical auxiliary equipment losses. With no gearbox, no lubrication system, and no mechanical wear and tear, there is minimal downtime and very low maintenance. And the PLC provides full control of the heat source, pump speed, working fluid flow, turbine speed, and cooling system operation. Another benefit is that there are zero emissions and no risk of contamination. Clean energy is generated without fuel or oil lubrication in a closed-loop system. The hermetically sealed carefree IPM has no rotating seals, eliminating the risk of leaks. Plus, the working fluid is non-flammable, non-explosive, and is not hazardous to humans or the environment. The Thermapower 125 XLT ORC system delivers a fast payback of less than 48 months thanks to its standardized and cost-effective modular design, which is quickly and easily optimized through our developmental partners for a wide range of applications and site conditions. Plus, the 125 XLT is backed by proven project implementation expertise, with more than 20 megawatts of installed capacity worldwide. And our continuous research and development programs ensure that Thermapower products and systems will always deliver exceptional value and performance. Thank you for your attention. This completes the overview of the Access Energy Thermapower Organic Rankine Cycle 125 XLT Waste Heat Recovery System.